was missing. Oh, someone's had this part before. This is the first time. Oh, yeah, it's nice. Okay. Oh, wow, they're all different.
Yeah.
Watch out, tips. Test. Oh, here's the fuse right here, Melissa. So here's the fuse you're talking about. I think this is a thermal fuse right here. Let's get that off. We'll test it with the voltmeter. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, what you're going to want to do is put your voltmeter on continuity, Ohm's law. We're going to zero it out. Beep, beep, beep. And then you've got this thermal fuse right here. We're going to unplug it. Right on top, like on the bottom. Dogs. Oh my God, this is going to be an easy fix. It's bad. If it was good,
what does that mean?
It would do this. This is bad. You were right.
That's the fuse?
Yep. Okay, so typically what happens is these get, your dryer vent gets clogged up and the dryer gets too hot and it blows this little thermal fuse that we took out of it. You just test continuity, it's bad, so we'll replace it. And if this works, this will be the easiest dryer I've ever fixed. Not that I've fixed a lot of them. And you could just see all this dirt and crap everywhere. It's probably just clogged up. We'll replace all this, replace the fuse, and see what happens. So I'm just going to bypass this sensor really quick, make sure the dryer comes on, just to double check this is the only thing wrong with it. And we will go from there. Okay, we're just bypassing the thermal fuse, turn the gas on. Plug it in. Okay, let's see. Time dry. Let's see if it blows hot here. It's on high, right? Yep, there it goes. Yep, it works. Yeah, it's hot. Yep, we're good. Yep, so we just confirmed that's the... Okay, here's how you test the fuses. You put your voltmeter on ohms, horseshoe symbol. And then you put your voltmeter on the fuse. You have zero continuity, the voltmeter beeps. And then the other fuse, here's a new fuse. Here's a beep on the voltmeter, that means you have full continuity. So that's how you test your fuse. Good one beeps, bad one does not beep. Installing a new fuse. Now it doesn't really matter which way you put the wire. Red, blue, you could put it on either terminal and it'll work just the same. Put the little, see this little slot in the sheet metal? That's if everything clogs up, it'll overheat this fuse and pop it, letting you know you need to clean out your ductwork or something else. But usually just a ductwork, one screw, two wires. Look how easy that is. Well, kind of, almost. Okay, there it goes. There you go. Notch lined up with the notch. That's it. Dryer's done. Okay, let's dry some clothes. Oh yeah, nice and hot. There you go. That's how easy it is to fix your neighbor's Kenmore dryer. Woo!